Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete all files on Google Drive permanently using a desktop browser. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once the Google Drive interface loads, you'll see your files and folders in the My Drive view. Next, click on My Drive in the left sidebar to make sure you're viewing all your personal files. The main area will display everything stored in your drive. Now here's a critical step. You need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page repeatedly until no more files load. Keep scrolling down until you reach the absolute end of your file list and nothing new appears. This is essential because any files that haven't loaded yet won't get selected in the next step. Once you've loaded everything, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all your files and folders. You'll see check marks appear on every item, and a selection count will show up at the top of the screen. With everything selected, right-click on any of the selected files and click Move to Trash. All your files will disappear from the My Drive view. Keep in mind that files in your trash still count towards your storage quota until they're permanently deleted. Now click Trash in the left sidebar to open the trash folder. You'll see all the files you just moved in there. Review the files and confirm there's nothing you want to keep. When you're ready, click Empty Trash at the top right corner of the screen. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to confirm. Click Delete Forever to permanently remove all the files. Once you confirm, your trash will be empty and all those files are gone for good. Your Google Drive storage space is now freed up. Keep in mind that it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for your storage quota to update across your account. Also, if you shared any of those files with other people, they've now lost access to them since the files are permanently deleted. Thanks for watching.